Good morning, gentlemen. Well, I'm still waiting for the footplate to dry, for the first aid kit to dry, for the mounting bracket and the gasket RTV to dry. So since we're talking about first aid kit, I'm going to show you my various first aid kit I have in the garage inside the house. In the garage, I've got the first aid kit here. Right there, if you can see, it's an emergency station. I've got also a small fire extinguisher right there, way too small to be used in my garage. There's a video coming up soon about fire extinguisher on something around on this area. All right. So I'm gonna go inside my house showing my various emergency station I've got. Good morning, gentlemen. This is a video about my various emergency station. What is the emergency station for me? Is a fire extinguisher, a good one, to extinguish any type of fire that my wood stove will cause or anything in the environment. This one is located in my basement. I've got also a first aid kit for various injuries on the inside the house. I've got a flashlight. Yes. This used to be a flashlight I used to direct aircraft on airport. And also, I've got a CO2 detector. Inside, in the basement, I've got about 6 of them, various type of fire detector. In total, I think I got 12 in the house. I'm going to show you the other 2 stations I have in the house. Alright, my next emergency station is located close from the wood stove. Is right there. So again, I've got the CO2 detector, I've got the first aid kit. This first aid kit, however, is meant to go outside. It's there's many bandages. It's a complete one. It's a huge one, by the way. I've got a beacon light. I have the downstairs. I always have a light at night so we can easily identify it. I've got also a fire extinguisher. And at top, I've got the flashlight. Alright, so this is my second emergency station. This is the last one. It's just beside my bed. It's the biggest fire extinguisher because that one can handle all type of fire I have in the house. Alright, I've got the flashlight on the top. And of course, there's no first aid kit because it's in my living room. Well, this is the emergency kit, first aid kit, road assistance. Everything I've got in my car basically. This first aid kit, it's a first aid kit employed on various type of aircraft that we have and in the military. And this one I picked up in the Army surplus. I was very happy because I did the inspection of them many times on the CP-140, the P-3's Aurora. So or the Orion for the Americans. Alright, so this kit is complete with even wooden blocks inside. It's really easy to see. You can see the block here in the back. I've got many field pads. I get various gloves. So in spring I always do an inspection on them. Of course I've got for signaling traffic fluorescent glove, working glove. I've got a east wing axe to open door, broke windows, even go through steel. I've got my emergency kit, blanket inside the bag. I used to make a lot of these bags before. I've got the signaling emergency cone. If I'm broken, my Corolla car is a really good car, but I used to have a 30-year-old truck and a 25-year-old car too, and I used to break often. I've got my winter shoveling, and of course 2 jugs of windshield washer fluid, and you know, sometime on the side of the road when you do a flat, it's always pouring rain. So that umbrella did 1 or 2 times save the day. I've got also cables in the back, another working glove set with the fluorescent stuff. All right, so that was about the first aid kit. So just to keep you that the first aid kit must be a part of your life. You always get ready. All right. So I think that I cover all the subject about the first aid kit. I'm just waiting for the paint to dry on my tractor. So all right, guys. Cheers. And bonjour, Mélanie.